absence of her loving is driving me insane. I went out just the other night, asked for a quart of Martha Jane. It's not really very funny, I can't drink her off my mind, but tonight, well, I'll just go out and give it one more try. Well, maybe it's that black label that reminds me of her hair, or those pretty bourbon brown eyes, or the way she's just sitting there. Tonight I'll get me 2 quarts, and that should erase her name. Does that bottle now read bourbon, or does it still say Martha Jane? Does that bottle now read bourbon, or does it still say Martha Jane? I drank those 2 quarts of bourbon. In bourbon it read so clear, but then I took a look and realized at what was sitting there. I took those 2 empty bottles that I thought they were my pal, but just like old Martha Jane, I was through with